I am Dr. Yuta Luis, former General Manager and CEO of Dash Institute Cameroon and Dash Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology Cameroon. Actually, Dash Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology Cameroon engages training and certification of higher industry technicians in Cameroon in the field of welding and non-destructive testing, first of its kind in Cameroon. In the field of welding, you have a training and certification of welding technologists, and in non-destructive testing, a training and certification of inspection technologists. These are cutting industry qualifications to drive industry development in Cameroon in line with the National Development Strategy of Cameroon 2020-2030, which target making Cameroon an emerging nation by 2035. The diploma course in welding technology has as course expectation diploma as welding technologies plus certifications as welding inspector and welding processes. Course benefits: employment as quality controllers, quality management personnel for all quality stakeholders as government, third-party organizations, and entrepreneurs and suppliers in all industry sectors. We have manufacturing, fabrication, construction, maritime, oil and gas, petrochemicals, automobile, aerospace, etc., with minimum base salary or remuneration of 500,000 francs a month. The diploma course in inspection technology, which targets training and certification of higher industry technicians as inspection technologies, has as course expectations diploma as inspection technologies plus certifications in non-destructive testing and integrated quality management system. Cost benefits: employment as NDT inspectors, quality management personnel, internal and external audit personnel for all quality stakeholders such as the government, third-party organizations, and entrepreneurs and suppliers in all industry sectors. Others have manufacturing, fabrication, construction, maritime, including port areas, oil and gas, petrochemicals, automobile, aerospace, etc., with minimum basic salary or remuneration of 500,000 francs a month. Course outline: non-destructive testing, that is training non-destructive testing level 1 and 2. The following inspection methods: you have radiographic testing, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, penetration testing, visual testing, plus advanced NDT methods. In quality, you have quality assurance and quality controls, establishing the test levels, total quality management and total welding management. Test specifications, that is management policies specifying sensitivity and accuracy in tests, establishing the reliability of tests, scheduling tests for maximum effectiveness and economy, integrated quality management and integrated quality management systems. I have ISO 9000, ISO 9001, ISO 9004, ISO 14000, OSHA's 18000, establishment of quality plans per ISO 10005, and audit in construction per ISO 19011.